So today is the day where we finally see Alexa integrated in Vector. That is right, they finally came across it. Now they've been working on this for quite some time, so seeing it play is very exciting. Now essentially the way it works is that Vector has a personality disorder, meaning it can be Alexa or it can be Vector based on whatever you want it to be. Right now it's a little angry, but either way, the way it works is kind of interesting. You just simply say the name Alexa or you say Vector and it'll go ahead and do the prompts based on that. So let's go ahead and unmute our Vector by simply double tapping. Let's just try, hey Vector, what's the weather like?
42 degrees and cloudy.
And then Vector will go ahead and display his screen, kind of giving the animations. And then we can go ahead and switch over to Alexa. You'll see the Alexa ring pop up. What's the weather like?
Right now in Streamwood, it's 42 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has lots of clouds, with a high of 47 degrees and a low of 39 degrees.
Dead on. So that's actually pretty cool. Now, another thing that you notice is that it's got a ring on its face, so it does go ahead and toggle between the two different personalities quite often. Now you can go ahead and program the button on the top here. Essentially when you do update it, it automatically goes into an Alexa mode by pressing the button on the top. But you can easily switch that over using the app. So keep that in mind with the update. Now another thing that they added is some new animations. So they have a holiday cheer. So hey Vector, happy holidays. Hey Vector, Happy New Year. So we see a very nice vibrant animation on its screen, which is actually great. That means that they're actually taking advantage of that. Now I do hope to see more animations as it does make it very lifelike as well as more characteristic. Now it also added a new feature where Vector can detect the hand and as well as play different functions in terms of hands. For instance, if it sees you, it'll go ahead and nudge your hand saying, hey, play with me. So that's actually really cool. Now, I think they did a great job integrating Alexa into the robot, and I'm really excited to see what else they come out with it in the future. Now, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it gives you a little bit more idea of what Alexa is about in terms of integrating it with Vector and how it all works out. Now, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching and see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.